Twerk. Morning.
You're crazy.
He's just getting home. Yeah. You gotta wonder how long he'd keep burning that penis at both ends. Think about it. Listen, Charlie's coming with me to work today. Why? He's gonna help me at the office. You want to bet?
What's up with Charlie?
What do you mean?
Peeing off the deck. I thought we weren't allowed to do that.
We're not. We're not. No, we're not.
You're crazy.
Hey, what's the Oompa Loompa doing here on a weekday?
You're crazy. You're crazy.
Why isn't he with his mother? Judith had a little stuff she today, and she stay in bed until she stops leaking back. Yeah, I hate it when that happens. So what is it? Long story.
I'm getting it all on video.
Come on, Charlie. Let's go.